Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Live Love Posh order, and this is actually my second order. With the first order, I went ahead and grabbed these sticker books. I just love them. They are all things floral, and that's exactly what I'm loving right now. So I went ahead and placed another order for her winter sticker books. So let's go ahead and get this open because I am super excited and I cannot wait to use these stickers. But let me just try to get this out of the package. Okay, there we go. Oh, and it actually has another one. Okay. So let's open this as well. Let's go this way this time. Okay. So let's see. Okay, I think I see my invoice. So let me get that out of the way. And here we go. Okay, so the first thing that I got were these pens. I just thought they were so pretty, and look at how pretty this box is. It has the floral print on it, and it is white, and I got the rose or rosé set. Look at how beautiful these are with the rose gold, pink, and white. Oh, these are so pretty. Hello, beautiful. And then we have Hustle and Heart. That's really, really pretty. And then we have Goal Getter. So how pretty are these? I just thought they were really, really pretty, so I had to pick them up. So I can't wait to see how they write though. So that was the first thing that I got. And then let's look at these sticker books. I can't remember which one is her most recent one, but I know that one released first and then the other one. So let's see. Okay, I seriously don't know which one came out first. I would love to tell you, but I'm not sure. And because the other one was releasing, I went ahead and picked both of them up already. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So this one is the Winter Wonderland. And we have some quotes here. These are paper. Oh, look at that for Valentine's Day. I love the roses. Oh, I love the black in this one. So it looks like it's one page of each. We have, what is this? New Year's. And then like a candy shop one. Some gingerbread. Oh, this is pretty. I love that one. And usually they have 2 sticker sheets, I think. But this one is one. Oh, look at those ornaments. It has the pretty florals on there. That's pretty. Let's see. Ooh, a pink Christmas one. I like that. Some florals. Oh, this one has even boxes on there. Oh, look at how beautiful this one is with like the wood-like. I love that one. Very, very pretty stickers. I have been loving her sticker book so much. So I was excited to add these 2 to my collection as well. These are just so beautiful. So these ones are all paper stickers. None of them were clear, but how pretty is this pastel one? Let's see some snowflakes and then these ones. Okay, so that one was very, very pretty. Let's look at Posh Winter. And we have some functional boxes. And these are clear. So see what I mean? This one has 2 pages of each, and these ones are clear. Oh, look at that one. That one's going to be perfect for Valentine's Day. Very pretty. These are 2. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are so, so cute. Oh, I love this one. The mountains and the pine trees. That is so pretty. And yes, you do get 2 pages and then some more functional boxes, some green ones. Oh, look at this one, peach and like that navy blue. Very pretty. Oh, I love this one with the touch of pink with the blues. That's very pretty. Oh, these are so cute. I can't wait to use these. Okay, so that was it. I love these. I cannot wait to dive into them. And do stay tuned for Plan With Me's. I know I've been doing a lot of hauls and unboxing lately, but I will get back to doing Plan With Me's once the new year starts and we start our new planners. I'm hoping to get back into a routine of doing Plan With Me's, and these are for sure going to be featured. So make sure that you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. But I'm just super excited about everything that I got. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.